What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. I'm Steph, growing in Zone 6B. If you are here for the first time, welcome for the first time. It's time to harvest some sweet potatoes, y'all. Every year I harvest in September, and I ain't even gonna lie to you. I don't hardly get anything. My sweet potatoes are always skinny, and they always look sad. I'm trying to walk over stuff. They always look quite sad. So I tried waiting a little bit longer today in hopes, not today, this year, in hopes that I would get something good. My over here that I planted are also looking kind of sad. They're starting to die back as well. Although these ones, I think I'm gonna leave a little bit longer until they completely die back. They need to be watered. This soil down here, there is some potatoes like sticking out or whatnot. As you can see, like right here and right there, but they small. They forming on the stem, so this needs to be watered, which I'll go ahead and do. But you know me, I'm trying to get all I can. So I'm gonna harvest these sweet potatoes only because it's gonna be 49 degrees a couple times this week, number one, and I need to get to my greenhouse. So this here jungle is my sweet potato bed. Like I said, it's gonna be getting down to the 40s. I need to get this cleared out so I can get to my greenhouse, because I have some peppers that are growing that need to be put in the greenhouse so that they can finish growing. They have a lot of buds on them. I can't even get this out of here, y'all. One thing that I'm going to try to do, I should get some pruners. If I was smart, I'd go get some pruners. One of the things that I am going to try to do is I'm going to try to save some of my slips this year. I do eat my sweet potato leaves. Here's a random tomato plant in here. But anyway, I do try to eat some of my sweet potato leaves. That you can cook them like spinach. And so, yeah, ooh, that's what I'm going to do. There's also a lot of weeds in here, which is why I am using some gloves, because who knows what we'll find in this bed. Shake my soil back in there, because y'all know I don't have any room to lose any soil, and I don't have no money to replace it either. But I'm hoping that I get some sweet potatoes. I always only get a few, and they always only like skinny, and they don't really look like nothing. So personally, I think that my sweet potatoes end up that way because this is Ohio, and Ohio weather is finicky. But other people grow sweet potatoes, so also maybe it's just user error. But at any rate, it's getting down. It's gonna get down to the 40s, and because it's gonna get down to the 40s, personally, I think it's time to harvest. Also, I planted these sweet potatoes in the month of May. And then it's October. So that's June, July, August, September, October. That means they have been in here for 5 months. That's past the 120 days that they say that you're supposed to give them. And so, you know, I'm just hoping and wishing, y'all. I'm just hoping and wishing. So I'm gonna dig down here and see what I can see. And hopefully, oh my gosh, I think I got something, y'all. Wait a minute. I think so. I feel something. They still look small. See? They still look small. I don't know, maybe I should wait. But I really need to get to my greenhouse. Oh, wait a minute. No, they ain't, y'all. No, they ain't, y'all. Look at that. Look at that. Oh, shoot. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Uh-oh. Y'all, if I done grew some sweet potatoes, you ain't gonna be able to tell me nothing. I'm telling you right now. If I done grew some sweet potatoes, matter of fact, let me get my harvest basket, y'all, because I'm real excited. I'll be right back with y'all. Okay, I got my sweet potato box. Y'all, is it huge? Nope. Am I excited? Yep. So let me see. Oh, guess what, y'all? I got some white potatoes growing in here too. Y'all, you know what? I done stepped up my game this year. I ain't even gonna lie to you. I do. I feel like I done stepped it up. If they not huge, that's okay. If they sizable and they eat, listen, I'm happy with it. First year growing successful sweet potato. I mean, when I say they were skinny, y'all. I got some big ones this year. I was so afraid that I wasn't going to get any large ones. I'm telling you, I'm going to be saving these vines. A lot of them. Well, I don't know about a lot, but some of them, I wish I had some chickens to give them to. Oh my God, y'all, I got a ton. Ooh. Y'all do not understand my excitement. I think I'm all that, y'all. White potatoes. And these white potatoes, I planted like last year in the fall, and I let them overwinter and do their thing. And guess what, y'all? They came right on back. Some tiny ones. Look at that right there. Okay, y'all. That's what I got. Some pretty good looking potatoes, sweet potatoes, white potatoes, and I grew these in the same bed. I got some small ones like these, but I also got some sizable ones. You know, overall I'm happy with it. This is the first year that I've gotten like sizable sweet potatoes. So y'all know I think I'm all that, right? It's a win. I'm super excited. I'm tired. I'm gonna get my sweet potato leaves. This yard is still a mess, y'all. I still got some more harvesting to do. I just love this time of year, y'all. This is the time of year where this garden be putting out. Y'all can't tell me nothing this season. I got some sweet potatoes. They sizable. I'm telling you, my chest is puffed out. I ain't gonna lie to you. All I did different this year is I added some compost. I put some 10-10-10 fertilizer in this bed. I didn't put no nitrogen, except for in the very beginning I put some fish emulsion. But other than that, I didn't put no more nitrogen. I just put that 10-10-10. Well, I didn't put straight nitrogen, that's what I'll say. I just put that 10-10-10. Midway through the season, I threw some more in there. I ain't even do it neat, y'all. If I had some leftover fertilizer, I threw that in there, y'all. If I was walking past fertilizing something else, I threw that in there too. And that's what I got, y'all. That's about how many slips? About 12 or 15 slips. Let me show y'all what this bed looking like. So this is the size of the bed. I got these metal raised beds off Amazon. And underneath here is concrete. And I grew them white potatoes in the same bin. Them was volunteer white potatoes. I didn't get that many. But guess what, y'all? I'm happy. And if you look over here, I ain't even harvested over here, y'all. Oh! Sweet potato game is up. My sweet potato game is up this year, y'all. I harvested 5 months, y'all. Waited 5 months. It's gonna be a good Thanksgiving. It's about to go down. Sweet potato pie, sweet potato souffle, sweet potato casserole, smashed sweet potatoes, baked sweet potatoes. It's about to go down. I'm just being silly, y'all. It's on. I will see you guys on the next video. Y'all take care. As you can see, I am very excited. I got some more updates for y'all. I'm feeling real good. This fall season is treating me amazing, and I'm here for it. I'm here for it. Gardening season ain't over. All right, y'all take care, and I'll see y'all on the next video. All right, y'all. Bye for now.